Hello, I still often hear the terrible phrase, "We need to hire a new body." What makes people speak about a new employee like that? Doesn't this set a negative tone before the person is even in the building? Do you want the body, or do you also want their brain? Words matter. They matter a lot because how you think is how you speak. And based on how you speak, you will achieve the desired results or not. Onboarding goes beyond HR. It also comes down to the preparation by the department leader and the future co-workers who get to support a new hire in the best possible way. According to research by BambooHR, on average companies have 44 days to convince great new hires to stay. Did you know that the first few impressions in the company will shape employees' sense of belonging? Here are 3 things to consider. Number 1, shine from the start. What's your welcoming process? How do you wow your new hire? The more creative and personalized the process, the better it is. Knowing and using the person's name makes a real difference. Be prepared for the new person joining the team and give them your undivided attention. Number 2, unstoppable curiosity. Be interested rather than interesting. Assume that you have something fascinating to learn about this person. Everyone has a story. If you are too busy showcasing the company's policies and procedures, you may miss out on building rapport with a person who is supposed to help you achieve results. Number 3, unconditional support. Is the person set up for success or failure? If a new hire doesn't know that it is okay to ask questions and who to ask, it will be an uphill battle from the get-go. Good people are hard to find, but when you find them, don't lose them. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.